Peel off the protective film. Place the white aluminum model in the image. Adjust the initial temperature to 10 degrees below the maximum temperature. Set the maximum temperature to 350 Fahrenheit. Set time to 25 seconds. Put in the aluminum model when the preset temperature is reached. Press the settings button to start the countdown. The countdown is over and you can hear the warning sound. Wear gloves to prevent burns. Peel off after cooling. .98% of the image has been printed.